So yes guys, I'm actually ready to start testing it out, and yes, I can choose auto, floor or wall. So yes guys, let's try with auto and see how Aiper is going to surprise us. And yes guys, I really like this handle as well, and yes, good luck. Yeah, it's descending quite nicely. And right now it is on a flat surface, but again our pool is actually slightly curved going that way. And yes guys, here it goes. As you can see, it actually expels some air and it's already starting to move. And it's pretty fast. Look how fast it actually is. And yes, it is actually climbing the wall right now. Again, it is almost straight completely. And again, it is in auto mode, so I believe it actually kind of looking around if there is any obstacles and so on. And again, it is the first submerging. And as you can see, it actually approaches the stairs and kind of locating itself around. I'm just so surprised how fast it is. Look how fast. And yes, this is actually the shallower part of our pool. But look at that, it is climbing the wall. Wow. I'm so amazed. And yes, on one charge it can go up to 140 minutes. Look at this. How cool is it? It almost looks like it's smiling. And it's turning. And you see, it sees the stair as an obstacle.